This is racetuning.com, and we sell MOPAR parts such as clutches, flywheels, and shifters. So we're looking at this original D21 4-speed car. You see it has the original 4-speed hump in the correct location. So we're going to take measurements and put those out there for anybody who's replaced their floor pans. They need to reinstall the parts, or if somebody's doing a 4-speed swap or even a 5 or 6-speed swap and you want to get one of our offset shifters that will put your shifter in the correct location right here. We have them for transmissions such as the TKX. And we're going to give the measurements for the console for anybody that's trying to put a console back in the car. Everything's in the correct location, and you can see the original paint right here. So if we get a common measurement from, let's say right here on your throttle, there goes the clutch pedal. Okay, so I got the tape measure up there, hooked around the round thing. Coming down here, I tore some of our nice original carpet, and you can see we have 14¼ inches. Okay, so I have the tape measure all the way against the firewall there. You can see. Then over here to the console bracket. And we have about 11 inches where the bracket starts. So for your front bracket on the side-to-side measurement, I'm just going to go to whatever's easy, like the brake pedal. It's at about 8.5 or just a hair over. So if we measure from the floor hump to the side, we have 25.5. Okay, now if we just measure from bracket to bracket, do that. We'll do that. That we got 15 inches from the front of the front bracket to the front of the second bracket, and a little over 32, about 32 3/16 from the front of the front to the front of the third bracket. Okay, now if we measure to the side, I'm going to go from that bolt hole there all the way to the side here. We got 29. Go from that bracket to here, about 29.1/8. Okay, so this car is a 70. And you're going to see it has this little extra linkage right here for the reverse lockout. 66 to 69 won't have that. I'm going to try to get a complete set of measurements here. So I marked off here every 2 inches. And this is measured from that frame rail. So we got 2, 4, 6, etc. all the way up to 14. And we're going to measure from this frame rail right here to the factory cut right there. And you're going to see this factory cut really isn't all that clean. Chrysler, I don't know, seems like somebody just went in with a shear and kind of ballparked it. But you got a little bit of an overhang right there. You can see, I'm guessing about a 1/2 inch or something like that. Pretty consistent. So your first measurement, and you see right here where it goes, and it curves, and then it starts right there, where this is your cross member. There's your tranny cross member, but there's your frame cross member. So we're going to get this measurement first. And you see that looks like it's about 14.25. So right here we'll do the 2 inches away from down there. Just over 13 1/4. Go to the 4-inch mark. Got about 12 3/4. Move up to the 6-inch. You're gonna have to go on the other side of the speedo cable. Hang tight. Okay, at the 6-inch mark we have 12 3/4. And you see it curves up, but the frame rail is also curved, so that's why we have the same measurement as last time. Let's check the 8-inch. Just under 12 1/2. On the 10, we got about like that. The 12-inch mark, 14. So I'm going to get a final measurement here, and I want to show where it ends up there in relation to this pinch weld right here. I got dirt flying in my eye too. Okay, hang on. Okay, so if you want the proper cut on your 4-speed floor tunnel, you're going to need to measure about 2 1/4 inches from that pinch weld. Better shot at it again.